This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up Telegram inside n8n. Once you have added the Telegram node, double-click on it. What you want to do is create a credential. So click on the drop-down list and select Create New Credential. Now, right here, you can click on Telegram's API documentation to go through the steps on how to do it. But to skip the reading, all you have to do is open up your Telegram app on your computer or on your phone. First, you're going to create a BotFather. Now, inside your BotFather chat, you will type in /start, hit enter. And here, there's a whole list of items that you can choose from. For this case, we're going to choose new bot. And in the chat box, we will type in the name. And there is our API. We can click on it and copy it to a clipboard, head back to n8n, and here in the access token, paste that right in there and hit save. And this is how easy it is to create your Telegram node inside n8n.